So, good afternoon again. So, I am Luna, Ma'am Malu, and then Ma'am Liza. So, for our next recipe this afternoon, this is called Banana Baked Delight. So, first is, we'd like to introduce our main ingredients. So, we have our bread, day-old bread. So, I think you can use any bread actually. So, if you want wheat bread, so ikaw bahala. If you want pandesal or any bread would do. So, you just cut it into cubes. So, pero di rin exactly cubes, but of course, basta regular cut lang siya na pagka-cubes. And then, we have our evaporated milk, 100 ml of evaporated milk. And then, we have our cinnamon powder, then our melted butter. So, 1/4 lang siya of yung size ng regular butter. So, 1/4 size lang. And then, our cheese. That's final toppings for our banana baked delight. So, this is mozzarella cheese. And then, this one, we have our butter. 1/4 also size. And then, our lakatan, banana lakatan.
Yes.
Then,
Sugar.
so, 2 pieces of banana, regular size. Then, white sugar, 1 tablespoon of sugar. So, we're going to melt this one, mix all together. So, after siya ma-bake, we put this on toppings. And, again, our last toppings will be the mozzarella cheese. First, we are going to melt this one. Yes, all together, the 3 of these. Sige, okay, right now is, we're going to melt our butter. So, make sure na very low ang fire para hindi maging mapait yung result. So, yes, mapakla or whatsoever. And then our white sugar. So, we are using our 12 inches skillet. So, ganyan ka-efficient ang Nutri-Ease na cookwares. So, pwedeng mag-bake, anything. Pwede kang mag-DIY, do-it-yourself talaga ng mga recipes and all. So, yung mahilig talaga magluto, they can really actually appreciate. In fact, kahit yung hindi mahilig magluto, gumaganahan na rin na magluto dahil sa cookware. After, melt siya with the sugar and the butter, then we can mix now the lakatan. As always, ang lakatan masarap. Kahit nga kainin mo lang siya on its own, masarap siya. So how much more if we mix it with other ingredients, making it as our dessert. Okay. So, look at the banana. Medyo caramelize siya a little bit. So, separate na natin siya in a bowl. Separate bowl. Then, same pan pa rin ang ating, or same skillet pa rin ang ating gagamitin after for the bread. Set aside lang. So, set aside our caramelized banana.
So, ito na.
So, yes, we're going to mix all the liquids for evaporated milk, 100 ml.
Yes.
Add the milk sa bread.
And then our melted butter, 1/4 of the regular butter.
And
our cinnamon powder.
powders.
Yes, this is very delicious. Okay.
Ito na yung bread na
mash bread.
Mash bread.
Na-mix and mash.
Mix. Saka yung mga ingredients niya. Tapos, i-platter natin. Then, itong
caramelized na banana.
banana lakatan.
Banana butter.
Banana butter. Yan.
Cover ni?
Yes. Pagkatapos yan, ilagay itong cheese sa itaas. cheese.
Mozzarella
cheese. For 2 minutes. Okay.
Okay, we have our cover it for 2 minutes. Wait until 2 minutes.
Yes.